What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out, gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Okay guys, we're only going to use one account. Now most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, but we're only going to use one because beginners will only probably start with one to see if it works and so on and so forth. So I try to emulate that type of results you will get if you promote this product using My Lead Gen Secrets. You may make more than me, you may make less than me, but you should be in this general ballpark. Alright guys? Now, before we get started, you interested in following along, make sure to check out the links in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Now, let's get started. All right, so first off, I want to talk about why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business. And it's essentially a funnel builder. It's a very nice built funnel builder. The product is really nice. Like the product itself. You have no limitations on this funnel builder, and anybody that does affiliate marketing in general knows that funnel builders are the key to concurrent income over time, like just building your income, building your business, and just making a lot of money at the end of the day. All right guys, so you know you have no limitation making many funnels you want, many connect as many domains you want, put many funnel pages on your funnel. You can do whatever you want for $25 per month. Let me tell you something, that's a really good deal, crazy good deal. $25 per month. Let me compare it to the most popular funnel builder out right now, which is ClickBank. Not ClickBank, but ClickFunnels. And ClickFunnels is $97 per month, and it has a ton of limitations on it. How many funnels you can make, all that good stuff, even how many people can see it. And if you want to get rid of those limitations, you have to pay $300 per month, guys. I used to do this. I know you used to pay $300. It might be lower now, I don't know, but when I was doing it, it was $300 per month. That's insanity. All right guys, and it's the most popular, so they're making a ton of money off people. But anyway guys, that's the first reason. Now the second reason, and I think the reason you guys are interested and why I was initially interested in this, promoting this product, $25 one digital business, is because it's affiliate system, guys. It's 80% recurring commissions, which is insanity. It's unheard of in affiliate marketplace. The best I could say up to this point was 40% recurring income, like something like ClickFunnels, for example, is 40%. That's the best I could find. I'd probably be able to find 40%, and 80% is double that. That's crazy. That's so crazy. That's insane. So it's a very good product to promote as a affiliate market, as to somebody just getting started and trying to start their business up and stuff. It's an amazing product to promote. All right, guys. So anyway, let's get to my results here. We're gonna refresh the page here. All right, it looks like we got two sales. Like the 22nd. I probably it might be one sale. I think I remember having a resale on the 22nd. So at least one sale, guys.
Nice.
That's amazing. And that feels good to get sales, guys, and it's really kind of filling up some more, and it's so good. It's really working out for me, man. Look at my next payable commission. It's $300, guys. This works. You know what I mean? Okay, so also I want to mention that when people show their results, make absolutely sure that they show that they refresh the page, because it's very easy to change all these numbers around. Everything around is very easy to change them. All right, so let's get to it. So we're going to My Lead Gen Secrets here. We're going to collect all our leads here. We're gonna go down here. Okay, this is the last email I sent. Okay, so we go right here, I guess. I thought I had more emails. I probably gotta make some more. Might make some more, but we're gonna stick to this right here. I'm gonna send this email here. I'm gonna click that, correct unlimited income for life. That's the email there. Very simple, very easy. Very easy to put together there. Got my name there. Here's where you put your link here, guys. You can copy that, by the way. You can copy that. Just pause it. You can copy it. You put your link right here. All right, this the link you want to use. You want to use the $25 all-in-one digital business here. The reason why I like promoting this because it promotes 2 recurring incomes, guys. One is worth $20 a month. The other is worth $100 per month. Now there's another income it promotes too. That's worth $400, but it's just a straight up pay. So it promotes 3 products, but I'm trying to get sales for the first 2. That's what you want. You want the recurring income. That's what I focus on. So you get paid over time and just build up. You know what I mean? So anyway, guys, make sure to hit perfect timing here. With perfect time, it does send an email around the time people check emails. So it's a good chance they'll check it out. Make sure you check your link. Make sure it works. I already did that since this is a rehashed email I already sent out. Should be fine. And we're just gonna send an email just like that. Boom. That's all it takes, guys. Very simple, very easy, very quick. Do this every morning. Take about 4 or 5 minutes, maybe even less than that. It only took me about 6 minutes, and that's because I talked through everything. But for you guys, all you have to do, click, send email, done. Take you less than a minute to do, guys. And you can build your income to crazy amount. Now, if you want to make a YouTube page and all that, you can do that too. Very simple, easy to do. You just post this, you already got the content. Showing results is the content, and people are interested in seeing results of what you're doing. So that's why that's the main content of these videos, is my results from the last day, you know. And I think people are interested in seeing those. So you could do the same exact thing as I'm doing, guys. It's not that hard. It's very simple, very easy to set up. All right, guys. And like I stated before, the link's in the description. You're interested in following along and doing the same process I'm doing here. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.